Hello friends, I've totally rearranged my house for the tree trimming because I'm gonna have 28 adults here and 3 children to decorate the tree. Now the tree's huge, I need all these people, but my house is not that big. Let me show you. So first, I did decorate the mantle. I kind of threw things up there. I'll show you that later. But I put all the boxes of ornaments here on this long table. This was the Thanksgiving dinner table and we couldn't get it out in time, so I thought I would use it. I love it. Now these are 3-tiered, 1, 2, there's 3 tiers of ornaments here, and you can see I've got probably close to 1,500 plus ornaments, all kinds of gorgeous stuff. I turned my dining table around horizontally and took out the leaf so I would have more room. Had to dress up the Epergne, of course, with holiday sparkle. And here's the tree, not lit and not trimmed. I put blue tape along here because I do have a step-down dining room or den here, and I have fallen off of this, so I want to make sure nobody hurts themselves. I also took out, I had 2 bergère chairs here by the tree with a table, took those out, and moved my 2 other chairs in front of the library so that we have more just kind of standing around room. Oh boy, it's gonna be a something something. Plus, look what we brought home from Gary's. Oh my Lord, I love it, love it, love it.
Alexa, turn on the Christmas tree. Today.
Yeah!